Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking experience and enjoy healthier, tastier meals without sacrificing flavor? Look no further than the CHEFMAN Small Compact Air Fryer. This innovative appliance offers the perfect solution for achieving crispy, fried results with little to no oil, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The CHEFMAN Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Healthy frying, crispy results. With the CHEFMAN Air Fryer, you can achieve perfect fried results with minimal oil usage. Its temperature range from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to cook at your desired temperature, ensuring a healthy, crispy finish without the guilt. Say goodbye to greasy, calorie-laden foods and hello to deliciously crispy favorites. Space-saving compact design. Featuring a small, compact size, this air fryer saves valuable space on your counter and in your cabinet. Perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, RV trips, and more, it's the ideal solution for anyone looking to maximize their kitchen space without sacrificing functionality. Versatile cooking options. With manual temperature control and a 60-minute integrated timer, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer offers unparalleled versatility. From frozen veggies and chicken to reheating yesterday's dessert, there's no limit to what you can cook with this handy appliance. Plus, the detachable BPA-free basket, cool touch exterior, and auto shutoff feature ensure added safety and security while cooking. Easy to clean. Cleanup is a breeze with the CHEFMAN Air Fryer. The black basket and tray are removable and top rack dishwasher safe, making it easy to keep your appliance clean and your meals healthy and delicious. Plus, the non-stick basket means no cooking spray is required, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Advanced safety technology. Rest assured that the CHEFMAN Air Fryer is Settle approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Plus, with a 1-year warranty provided by CHEFMAN, you can purchase worry-free, knowing that your investment is protected. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy fried foods and hello to crispy, delicious meals with the CHEFMAN Small Compact Air Fryer. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The CHEFMAN Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.